Numbers aren't just numbers. They're cosmic blueprints. Codes that tell the story of who you are, why you're here, and what you're meant to do in this lifetime. If you love content that unlocks the hidden meaning of your life, subscribe now so you don't miss what's coming next. Today we'll explore life paths 4, 5, and 6, revealing the strengths, challenges, careers, relationships, and lifestyles connected to each path. 4, the builder. 5, the adventurer. 6, the nurturer. By the end of this, you might just see yourself in a whole new way. Before we dive in, let's make sure you know how to find your life path number. Don't worry. This ancient method is simple once you know the steps. Start by writing down your full date of birth, month, day, and year. Add each part together until you have one number for the month, one for the day, and one for the year. Then, add those 3 numbers together. If you land on a double number like 11, 22, or 33, those are called master numbers, and they stay as they are. We'll explore those in a later video because they carry unique challenges and higher potentials compared to other life path numbers. For all others, keep adding until you get a single digit between 1 and 9. Now that you know how to calculate it, let's walk through an example together. Let's use August 8th, 2025 as an example. August is the 8th month, so that's 8. The 8th stays as 8. Year, 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 equals 9. Now add them together. 8 plus 8 plus 9 equals 25. Then reduce 25. 2 plus 5 equals 7. So August 8th, 2025 would be a life path 7. But if your number came to 4, 5, or 6, that's where today's journey comes in. Let's begin with the life path 4, the builder. Life path 4 is the builder, grounded, dependable, and committed to turning ideas into reality. You thrive when creating systems, building structures, or mastering a skill over time. People rely on you because you're steady and trustworthy, the person who can be counted on to finish what they start. Your gift is discipline. Your challenge is not becoming so rigid that you miss opportunities for growth. Let's see how this plays out in your career and relationships. Careers that suit a life path 4 often involve planning, construction, management, engineering, finance, or law enforcement. In relationships, you're loyal, protective, and value long-term commitment. Your ideal partner is dependable, values stability, and appreciates the security you create. Lifestyle-wise, you thrive in environments where you can plan ahead, maintain order, and steadily work toward big goals. And when you look at real-life examples, you can see 4 energy in action. Consider Bill Gates, a life path 4. His disciplined approach to building Microsoft from the ground up is the perfect example of 4 energy: structured, patient, and methodical. Arnold Schwarzenegger, also a 4, didn't just succeed in one field. He built careers in bodybuilding, acting, and politics through discipline and persistence, proving that 4 energy builds step by step toward greatness. Now, let's shift to a completely different energy: Life Path 5. Life Path 5 is the adventurer, the freedom seeker, the explorer, the one who thrives on variety and experience. You resist being tied down because you came here to taste life in all its colors. Your gift is adaptability. Your challenge is learning when to focus and commit. Let's explore what that looks like in your work, relationships, and lifestyle. You shine in careers involving travel, sales, media, public relations, writing, or anything that gives you freedom to move and express yourself. In relationships, you bring excitement and spontaneity. Your ideal partner is adventurous, open-minded, and not threatened by your need for freedom. Lifestyle-wise, you thrive when life feels like a series of chapters, each full of new experiences, people, and places. And just like the Life Path 4, you can spot this energy in real life. Angelina Jolie, a Life Path 5, embodies this adventurous spirit, both in her acting career and humanitarian work around the globe. Will Ferrell, another 5, brings his adaptability and humor to every role, never afraid to explore wildly different characters and settings. From the freedom of the 5, we now arrive at the heart-centered 6. Life Path 6 is the nurturer, compassionate, caring, and devoted to creating harmony in the lives of others. You are here to take responsibility, to support, and to heal. Your gift is love. Your challenge is not losing yourself in the needs of others. Let's see how that translates into your career and personal life. Careers that suit a Life Path 6 often involve counseling, teaching, healthcare, community work, or the arts. Anything that allows you to care for others or create beauty. In relationships, you're loving, protective, and deeply committed. Your ideal partner is supportive, emotionally open, and shares your values of loyalty and care. Lifestyle-wise, you thrive in warm, welcoming environments, a beautiful home surrounded by people you love. And of course, we can find examples of this nurturing energy all around us. John Lennon, a Life Path 6, used his art and voice to promote peace and unity, embodying the 6's calling to heal and uplift. Michael Jackson, also a 6, poured his heart into his craft, often using his platform to raise awareness for humanitarian causes. So whether you're a 4, 5, or 6, the message is the same. Whether you're a builder, an adventurer, or a nurturer, your life path is not a limit, it's a compass. It's here to guide you toward the life you were meant to live. Do you identify with your life path description? Or do you feel it missed the mark? Drop your thoughts in the comments, whether you agree, disagree, or have your own story to share. If you're a life path 4, 5, or 6, tell us what part of this resonated with you the most. And if you know someone with one of these life paths, share this video with them. And don't go far. In our next video, we'll explore life paths 7 through 9. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're the first to see when it drops.